Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. Today let's do some drawing activities in our video. So here a circle is being drawn and the face and then holding a flower basket is being created and the butterfly wings is being drawn. So the hands is being drawn and the basket is being drawn. Put some shades with an yellow color in the cheeks and then the butterfly wings with the green and the dark gray color and then the body with an yellow color. So here an honeybee that is being the butterfly that is being holding a basket is being drawn. Using a hand posture, let's draw the hand. Draw one by one the flowers onto the hands. So a line is being drawn and the leaf is being drawn. Shade them with the pink color shades slowly with one by one of the fingers. Shade the yellow colors and the green color for the leaves and the blue color in the leaves is being shaded. And the orange is being shaded half part of it. Just using a glitter, line them off. Next two circles is being drawn. Two circles is being drawn and then the front part is being drawn and the seat is being drawn. So wheel is being drawn together and combined. So next a chair cycle is being drawn. Next, a circle inside and another circle is being created. A fan type is being drawn and then the helicopter that is being drawn and shade them with red and the blue color. The house is being drawn. The door and the chimney where the airs will be come out of the house and the greeneries next to the house is created and the sun shade them with pink and the green color. Let's draw a circle and the airs and the smiling lips and the plot is being created. Let's draw the ears. Here's a plot and then the neck is being drawn. Let's draw the frog and the hand and the leg is being drawn. So put some shades to it with the blue and the red color. So hairs and the circle and the lips and the eyes is being drawn. Here's a ponytail that is being drawn and the girl holding a hand and then the leg is being drawn. So here the girl is holding a kite. Put some shades with the red color and the green color to the frog. A circle is being drawn and the eyes. Here a boy is being drawn, is sitting. The back end of the hand and the hands is being drawn. So holding and then the trees is being drawn and he's holding an instrument removing the plants. Two circles and one more line is being drawn. Again one more line is being drawn. So and back vehicle that is being drawn, put some shades with that with yellow color and the blue color and the wheel is being attached with a gray color. Let's draw some three different circles and let's draw some three different emojis of people and hand. A cap is being drawn, a boy with and then a girl is being drawn with legs standing and the hands is being drawn. Then another circle, a plait, a ponytail that is being drawn and the hand and the leg is being drawn. Put some shades to this. Skipping is being.